The International Energy Agency, for example, put out a report last year, and it seems that in 2023 alone, solar PV accounted for 3/4 of renewable capacity additions worldwide. So I guess my first question would be, what is the role of solar energy in the fight in this climate crisis era that we are living in?
Sanika, I think there are three things that are happening as far as the solar field is concerned. First is the sheer amount of new capacity that is being generated. In 2023, we had something like 440 plus gigawatts of solar capacity alone that was added. The total added, as you said, remained very similar. About 75% of the renewable energy capacity was solar, and 90% of the new capacity that was added was renewables globally. The second point about solar is that it has become the cheapest source of electricity in almost every geography that you can think of. So in India, for example, you can now get solar electricity at less than 2 rupees a kilowatt hour, plus wind plus storage, provided an electricity at a cost of about 4 rupees per kilowatt hour, which is still 80% of the cost of new coal that was added last year. And therefore, we expect that the price of solar will keep on decreasing. The third point that I would like to make solar energy is that while a huge amount has been added, the total global solar capacity already exceeds 1,600 gigawatts or something of that sort. The challenge is that the vast amount of it is occurring in the OECD and China.
Right.
All of the 440 gigawatts that was added in India was something of the order of a little more than 10 gigawatts. This is a matter of concern because Africa, for example, which has the best solar availability and also has a huge amount of electricity demand, could only pull in enough investment to enable approximately 3% of the, so just as much as India did one country, all of Africa did in 2023. This is a matter of challenge for us. How on earth do we get the developing countries to also attract enough resources to invest in solar energy?